So how can you edit the mirror selfie on iPhone? Let's get started. Welcome to Foxtecc, by the way. If it's your first time in here, most definitely subscribe so you become part of the community and never miss anything. So there are more things you need to do. First of all, you can open up the settings app and go to the camera section. And one of the toggles is to mirror the front camera. This just means that after you capture the photo, it either will get flipped or it will stay as it is. So there is no right or wrong answer. Try to have it turn on and take a selfie to see which effect you like more, and based on that, decide accordingly. So yeah, some people prefer it to be flipped, others don't, so that's why we have that setting. However, even if you already have the photo saved in the gallery, you can still flip it later in the post-production. You can, for example, open it up through the Photos app, tap on Edit, then click on the Crop tool, and in the top left corner, you can mirror it like that. So the effect that would be performed by the camera automatically, you can either reverse it or change it up according to your preference. So that's what you need to do. That's how it works, and that's like the whole point of the mirror effect. So that is most likely the thing which you had in mind. Let me know if you wanted me to cover something else. It's possible I'll make the updated video about that as well. Thanks a lot for watching, your support, and stay tuned for more in upcoming videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.